Welcome to VAK's lecture. This video consists of question and answer session regarding to characteristics, applications and organization of computer. This video is part 2. Now let us start. What is the primary characteristic of computers? Options: A. High speed, B. Low storage capacity, C. Limited versatility, D. Manual operation. Answer: A. High speed. One of the key characteristics of computer is their high processing speed, allowing them to perform tasks quickly and efficiently. What is the primary application of computers in education? Options: A. Entertainment, B. Gaming, C. E-learning, D. Social media. Answer: C. E-learning. Computers are widely used in education for e-learning, which includes online courses, virtual classrooms, and educational resources accessible over the internet. Which generation of computers used vacuum tubes for processing data? Options: A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. Answer: A. First generation. The first generation of computers, which emerged in 1940s and 1950s, used vacuum tubes for processing data. What is the primary function of RAM in a computer? Options: A. Permanent data storage, B. Long-term data retention, C. Temporary data storage, D. Instruction execution. Answer: C. Temporary data storage. RAM is used for temporary data storage while the computer is running. It allows quick access to data required for immediate processing. What are the main applications of computers in business? Options: A. Gaming and entertainment, B. Social networking and communication, C. Data analysis and management, D. Graphics and design. Answer: C. Data analysis and management. Computers are widely used in business for data analysis, managing inventories, processing transactions, and financial modeling. What is the primary characteristic of supercomputers? Options: A. Low processing speed, B. Limited storage capacity, C. Small physical size, D. High processing speed. Answer: D. High processing speed. Supercomputers are known for their exceptional processing speed, enabling them to perform complex calculations and simulations. Which generation of computers introduced microprocessors? Options: A. First generation, B. Second generation, C. Third generation, D. Fourth generation. Answer is D. Fourth generation. The fourth generation of computers introduced microprocessors, leading to smaller, faster, and more energy efficient computers. Which type of computer memory is non-volatile and used for permanent data storage? Options: A. RAM, B. ROM, C. Cache memory, D. Secondary storage. Answer is B. ROM. Read-only memory. ROM is a non-volatile memory that stores essential instructions and data even when the computer is power off. What is the significance of the third generation computers? Options are: A. Introduction of integrated circuits, B. Use of microprocessors, C. Adoption of vacuum tubes, D. Integration of transistors. Answer is A. Introduction of integrated circuits. The third generation of computers introduced integrated circuits, resulting in smaller and more reliable computers. How do fifth generation computers differ from previous generations? Options: A. Focus on artificial intelligence, B. Introduction of microprocessors, C. Adoption of vacuum tubes, D. Integration of transistors. Answer is A. Focus on artificial intelligence. Fifth generation computers focus on artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and advanced problem solving capabilities. What is the role of an operating system in a computer? Options: A. Providing physical storage, B. Managing computer resources and providing a user interface, C. Executing application programs. D. Handling input and output operations. The correct answer is B. Managing computer resources and providing a user interface. The operating system manages hardware resources, schedules tasks, and provides a user friendly interface for user interaction. How does a solid state drive differ from a hard disk drive? Options. A. SSDs use flash memory while HDDs use spinning disks for data storage. B. SSD is slower but more durable than HDD. C. SSDs have a larger storage capacity than HDDs. D. SSDs are used for temporary data storage while HDDs are used for permanent storage. The correct answer is A. SSDs use flash memory while HDDs use spinning disks for data storage. SSDs use flash memory chips which offers faster data access and more durable than the spinning disks used in HDDs. What is binary arithmetic used for in computers? Options. A. Processing decimal numbers. B. Handling complex mathematical calculations. C. Performing operations using the binary number system. D. Solving logical puzzles. Answer. C. Performing operations using the binary number system. Binary arithmetic involves performing mathematical operations using the binary number system, which is fundamental in computer processing. What is the role of this GPU in a computer? Options. A. Handling graphical and visual computations. B. Managing input and output device. C. Coordinating network communications. D. Managing system memory. Answer. A. Handling graphical and visual computations. The GPU is responsible for processing and rendering graphics and images, critical for gaming and multimedia applications. What type of computer is designed to perform a specific task within a larger system? Options. A. Mainframe computer. B. Supercomputer. C. Embedded system. D. Personal computer. Answer. C. Embedded system. Embedded systems are specialized computers designed to perform specific functions within the devices or products. What is the main application of supercomputers? Options. A. Personal entertainment. B. Scientific simulations and calculations. C. Word processing. D. Internet browsing. Answer. B. Scientific simulations and calculations. Supercomputers are used for complex scientific and computational tasks such as weather forecasting and simulations. What does cloud computing primarily provide to users? Options. A. High-speed internet. B. Physical storage devices. C. On-demand computing resources. D. Advanced graphics processing. Answer. C. On-demand computing resources. Cloud computing provides users with access to computing power, storage, and software applications over the internet. Which type of computer memory is closest to the CPU and used for faster data access? Options are A. RAM. B. ROM. C. Cache. D. SSD. Correct answer is C. Cache. Cache memory is located close to the CPU and used for faster access to frequently used data and instructions. Which field commonly uses computers for computer-aided design and simulations? Options are A. Medicine. B. Engineering. C. Retail. D. Agriculture. Answer is B. Engineering. Computers are extensively used in engineering for tasks like computer-aided design and simulations. What is the primary application of a personal computer? Options. A. Scientific research. B. Supercomputing. C. Personal productivity and entertainment. D. Weather forecasting. Answer. C. Personal productivity and entertainment. PCs are commonly used for tasks like word processing, internet browsing, and entertainment purpose. What is the primary application of a mainframe computer? Options: A. Personal productivity. B. Scientific simulations. C. Internet browsing. D. Large scale data processing and storage. Answer: D. Large scale data processing and storage. Mainframe computers are designed for high performance computing and large scale data processing tasks in enterprises and organizations. What are the characteristics of the fourth generation of computers? Options: A. Vacuum tubes as components. B. Use of microprocessors. C. Adoption of integrated circuits. D. Integration of transistors. Answer: B. Use of microprocessors. The fourth generation of computers introduced microprocessors, leading to smaller and more powerful computers. Which component of a computer system facilitates communication with peripheral devices? Options: A. CPU. B. RAM. C. GPU. D. I/O interface. Answer: D. I/O interface. The I/O interface enables the CPU to communicate with peripheral devices like printers, keyboards, and external storage. What is the primary application of virtual reality technology? Options: A. Video editing and rendering. B. Creating 3D models. C. Gaming and interactive experiences. D. Audio processing. Correct answer is C. Gaming and interactive experiences. VR technology is extensively used in gaming and immersive experiences, allowing users to interact with virtual environments. What is the primary function of cache memory in a computer? Options: A. Permanent data storage. B. Long-term data retention. C. Temporary data storage for faster access. D. Execution of program instructions. Answer: C. Temporary data storage for faster access. Cache memory stores frequently accessed data closer to the CPU, reducing access times and improving overall system performance. What is the primary characteristic of the fifth generation of computers? Options: A. Use of vacuum tubes. B. Integration of transistors. C. Focus on artificial intelligence. D. Utilization of microprocessors. Answer: C. Focus on artificial intelligence. The fifth generation of computers focuses on developing AI systems capable of natural language processing, pattern recognition, and advanced problem solving. What is the main application of computers in the field of medicine? Options: A. Video editing and rendering. B. Creating 3D models. C. Patient record management and medical imaging. D. Stock trading and financial analysis. Answer is C. Patient record management and medical imaging. Computers are extensively used in medicine for managing patient records, medical imaging, diagnostics, and research. What is the primary function of the control unit in a CPU? Options: A. Temporary data storage. B. Execution of program instructions. C. Managing computer resources. D. Coordinating I/O operations. Answer: B. Execution of program instructions. The control unit manages the flow of data and instructions within the CPU, ensuring that instructions are executed in the correct sequence. What is the main characteristic of an embedded system? Options: A. Versatility for various tasks. B. Large physical size. C. Integration into specific devices. D. Use of vacuum tubes. Answer: C. Integration into specific devices. Embedded systems are specialized computers designed to be an integral part of specific devices, performing dedicated functions within those devices. Which generation of computers introduced the concept of time sharing and multiprogramming? Options: A. First generation. B. Second generation. C. Third generation. D. Fourth generation. Answer: C. Third generation. The third generation of computers introduced time sharing and multi-programming, allowing multiple users to run programs simultaneously and efficiently share computer resources. In our next video, we will see some more questions regarding to another topic. Thank you.